Hi students, good morning. How are you? Okay, fine. Okay, children, I want to tell you about you a few important things regarding to studies. Nowadays, education system is completely commercial. Maybe so before 90 or 95, there is a lot of respect between the teacher and the student, and there are a lot of relation is there. But nowadays, it is not finding wherever in the campus in the education systems because of parents are spending lakhs of amount for students expenditure, and students also not realizing actually why they are going to campus, why they are going to studying in the hostel, why they are going to recognized government schools like corporate schools like Narayana and Sri Chaitanya. Like so many schools are there, Montessori school. Parents are really it is supporting for the students regarding to about their future and the studies. They are worrying about that. But nowadays it is not. It's not appearing, or you can see we are not able to find the students, and because of the lack of interest, the students doesn't show the much interest. Class 50 students or 45 students, in that very few students, most probably 5% is able to going to understanding the concepts, and they are coming to near approaching the teacher and asking the doubts, and they are something they are worrying about the studies. The rest of that 95% is going to like. So that's what I want to tell you. So instead of that, I also worked, I have that different types of schools in Hyderabad, the corporate high schools and CBSE, ICSE, SSC, like that. But anyhow, I want to go give some uh, introduction about the mass concepts. But one thing I want to say here, whenever the student teacher is going to explain, the student has to be attention in the class. The student must be focused on the board or focus on the teacher. What teacher is going to explain. So that is important. So that's what how it's anyhow it's common. But I think nowadays the students, whenever the children are getting their mobile or laptop or mobiles or laptop, or you can see computer, or you can see the TV programs, they are going to very much attracting that entertain programs, even games and sports they are playing like that. But they are not showing that much interest on studies. Actually, studies is basically fundamentally which is supporting to their future, which is helping. Okay, so I am going to uploading some videos. Previous also I told you regarding to or according to the trigonometry, some proofs, how to prove the trigonometry identities, how to prove that 4 marks problems I said, and I told you some problems also 1 mark or 2 marks problems I explained you. But now I want to say about the trigonometry, the briefly, just I want to tell you. Actually, trigonometry is mainly focused by the scientist Hipparchus. He introduced this trigonometry. He stated the definition, the relation existing between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. So that is about. And in this also, Pythagoras theorem also is a lot of supporting to trigonometry. So Pythagoras theorem also you have to be remember. Okay. Trigonometry is derived from the Greek language, which is that trigonon and metron. Trigonon is nothing but triangle, and metron is nothing but angle. That means three angle measurement. Okay, children. If you want to revise again the videos whenever you are going to listen to my videos, I want to tell you. Next thing is, in this, if you observe in the trigonometry, three fundamental units are there, measuring units are there. One is sexa-gesimal system, it is also known as British system, or it is also known as English system. Next, centesimal system, second one, it is also known as French system. Next, third one is radian system or circular system. These are main focus important. Now let us see that if you observe the British system or English system or sexa-gesimal system, in this system every right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. Each part is called degree. Okay, so one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. In this, each part is called a degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is the process in the sexa-gesimal system. Come to the next centesimal system. If you have the centesimal system, is also known as the French system. In this system, every right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called grade. Okay, this is like theoretically subject. That's why I am going to tell you. I will explain on the board. Don't worry. So next, every right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is called grade. One grade is equal to, we can say, one grade is equals to 100 minutes. 1 grade is equals to 100 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 100 seconds. That is about that. Next, if you come to there, one more thing, if you observe there, radian system or circular system is very important in this. So radian and circumference relation, lot of it is there, and which is helpful whenever we are going to calculate in the middle of the problems in the subject in mass trigonometry. Now if you observe the radian system, the angle in this, the angle subtended at the center of the circle by the arc, it is whose length is equal to radius of the circle. That is the definition. What we can say, that radian, 1 radian. Radian is defined as the angle subtended at the center of the circle by the arc whose arc of the length is equal to radius of the circle. That is the definition. Okay, so that is that. And the radius and radian, and we can say degrees, a lot of relation, radian and degree, radians and degree is a lot of relation is there, relation between the radian and the degree. Suppose here if you see that right angle is in nothing but equal to pi by 2, or pi c by 2, we can say radian system pi by 2. So you can say that relation between the degrees and radians, if you observe there, suppose you can say pi means nothing but 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. 2 pi means what? 360 degrees. Then 270 means what? 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Next to 180, you can say that 180 is nothing but pi. Then pi by 2 means what? 90 degrees. Okay, pi by 3 means what? We can say pi by 3, 60 degrees, and pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees, and pi by 2 is nothing, and we can say that 30 degrees, what we can say, pi by 6. So that is pi by 6 is equal to 30 degrees, and pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees, and next pi by 3 is equals to 60 degrees, and pi by 2 is equal to 90 degrees, and pi is equals to 180 degrees, and 3 pi by 2 is equal to how much? It is 270 degrees, and 2 pi is nothing but 360 degrees. Pi is nothing but 180 degrees, you have to remember. So that is about the relation existing between the degrees and radians. Thank you children, you are watching my videos, and whenever you are watching my videos, please subscribe and like my children, and like my channel, and give subscribe. That is the main important, children. Okay, thank you. I'll come to next another class. We will see later. Okay, bye.